It is time for another room tour. This one is 1766 Grand Suite, Wonder of the Seas. I had this room last year and we liked it so much because the location is just so quiet up here on deck 17 on the opposite side of the entrance to the coastal kitchen. Very, very quiet. So you come in, you have the tile entry. On the left, you have the bathroom. Make sure you stay till the end of this video, watch the bloopers. And it's a beautiful double sink. Nice, nice, nice. Here's a nice safe and closet space there. Plus, we have a little shelving thing here. We have shelves. There's no walk-in closet, by the way, but you do have 3 basic compartments. And here's your vanity. You have the granite, nice shelves there. Here's your mini fridge, more granite and drawers. This TV does come out an angle. Here is your little living room area. Your bed. This has the TV that comes down from the ceiling, by the way. It comes down from the ceiling. So I wonder if my wife knows how to do it. Does she remember? Okay, you want to demonstrate? Maybe. Okay, so here's your couch, your chairs, you have your little landing area. Got your amenities, nice desk. This is really, really nice. The balcony is really big, but you have the cushy seats and the nice table and more loungers, and you can order room service here for free. You can order off the main dining room menu here, and you have a nice place to eat. And this comes with Sky Class benefits. So it includes access to the coastal kitchen, suites lounge, suites sun deck, free drinks in the coastal kitchen suites lounge, and priority embarking, priority disembarking. You get a free internet. I mean, you get it all. You get it all. You have your Lavazza coffee maker. You get double Crown and Anchor points. So that is your Grand Suite. Let's take a look at the USB devices. You have outlets over here. Got some USB ports on both sides. Actually, one side only has the USB ports. And nothing over here, but they do have some over here. And they will give you some waters and some Evian with your room. They do the room service twice a day. The gratuities are $21 a day, a little bit more than the regular room. But that is your Grand Suite 1766. It is time for another room tour. This one is on Wonder of the Seas. This is a Grand Suite in 1766. Believe it or not, I had this room last year, same exact room, booked it again. So I'm gonna try to mix it up and give it a new twist, but it is Grand Suite, part of the Sky Class benefits. And when you walk in, you notice you have the tile entry. First thing on the right is a beautiful bathroom with the double sinks.
That's on the left.
I'm sorry, on the left. I'm looking backwards.
Where'd you start over?
1766, Wonder of the Seas. Please give this video a thumbs up. Woo, bless you.
Thank you.
All right, peace out. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate the TV, I think, with the power button. That doesn't do it. The green, no. Okay, you hit the yellow